Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about our new CA final FR batch. We have started recording the CA final FR regular batch. The recording is in progress. This FR subject is available in two languages. You can either opt for Hindi or complete English. The English would be a complete English product, whereas the Hindi version may have some portion of English Hindi mixture. Let us say about 20% English and 80 to 90% would be Hindi. So students comfortable with Hindi can opt for Hindi, and the students who are comfortable with only English, you can opt for the complete English version of latest recording of FR. The recording is in progress. The lectures will be provided to you in the Google Drive mode. The pen drive will be available only from the month of June. These lectures will be useful for 2021 exams, 2022 exams and 2023 exams. Any amendments which will take place during this period will be provided to you free of cost. The duration of this batch will be approximately, I am saying approximately because the lecture is still in progress, will be about 330 hours. Students normally wonder why 330 hours or more are required for FR. As you know, the syllabus is very vast. Certain standards require lot of explanation, lot of concept and lot of practice. Like for example, Ind AS 110, I have covered in classroom 95 questions only on Ind AS 110. Then on business combination 103, more than 65 questions have been covered. Financial instrument, more than 200 questions will be covered in the class. Numerical questions, concept problem, theory questions, even for topics like Ind AS 8, Ind AS 10, Ind AS 12, Ind AS 16, we have taken almost 50 to 60 questions on every topic. It is not a matter of number of questions, we have covered the entire syllabus in detail so that anything being asked can be covered by the student. Syllabus is vast and it will require time for understanding. If we cut down the number of hours, we will miss certain concept. We will not be able to explain in detail the way we want. We will not be able to cover all the latest exam questions of November 2020, January 2021, RTP of May 2021, MTP of your 2021. So therefore, it takes time. So please give us some time and then we can give really good quality lectures. In case if you are in a hurry, there is a fast forward option and you can study at a higher speed also, so it can save time for you. And in case if you don't want to practice few questions, you can skip them and save your time. But in order to do complete justice to the subject, I will not compromise with this subject, okay, and I will deliver to the best of my ability based on whatever questions I have to cover, I will cover, and it will really benefit to everybody. You can take the feedback of any student and they will say that Vinod sir's notes are so comprehensive, lectures are so comprehensive that we find that in the exam every question that has been asked is already covered in the classes. So the study material will be in English. Even though it is a English recording, the study material is same for both Hindi and English recording. We will provide you a model test paper book and a summary chart. The price for 1.2 views and 1 year validity is 12,000 rupees, and if you want 1.5 validity, 1.5 views and 1 year, the price is 15,000 for Google Drive, cloud download, Android mode. The pen drive will be available from the month of June. We will cover all the latest exam questions and MTPs. So as I have told you, the views and validity, 1.2 views, validity 1 year, price 12,000, 1.5 views, validity 1 year, price will be 15,000. Right now the lectures are available for you to study on your laptop, your desktop, or even your Android based mobile phone. The language will not be an issue for you. If you are comfortable with Hindi, you can go for that Hindi or English version. If you are comfortable with English, you can go for English version. The study material provided to you would be in the 2 or 3 modules, and will provide you model test paper for your last minute practice. Last month of your exam, spend time on doing some testing of yourself. So model test paper will be useful. So model test papers are past exam papers. Whenever the syllabus have changed, we have changed the question or we have changed the answer. Some model test papers have been designed by me which have not been asked in institute exam. Plus we also cover mock test paper given on the institute's website. So everything at one place, and then there will be a summary chart book. So these are the study material that will be provided to you. What are the topics we will cover? These are the topics we are going to cover. All the Ind AS will be covered which are applicable to your syllabus. We'll begin with one chapter called Introduction to Ind AS. And what about the other theory topics? All other theory topics also will be covered. Like for example, there is a theory topic called Analysis of Financial Statement, Framework for Preparation and Presentation of Financial Statement, Guidance Note on CSR Activities, Integrated Reporting, and Schedule 3 Division 2. Even these topics, theory topics, will be covered. On Schedule 3 Division 2, institute material may have 1 or 2 questions, but I have covered more than 10 questions, full-fledged problems on Schedule 3 Division 2. So that will help you a lot. So in case if you want to purchase FR latest recording, you can come to our office, and this is the office address. You can call on these numbers anytime. You can mail us. You can directly go to the website www.asfoundation.co.in or vino.in, and you can place your order. Thank you very much for watching this video.